Hello, Pops. Kumusta?
Coach, good morning. I'm good. I'm
Good morning.
good. How are you doing?
Good.
It's looking good for us today, actually.
Ah, sige. Request ka muna ng recording siguro. How's the meet up with the Wag Squad?
Yeah, that's right. So I was with Kuan, si Dindin, and si Alan. It was
Yeah.
fun. So mag-share screen ko, Coach.
Yes, Pops.
So this is what it
Okay.
looks like here, Coach. It's up
Okay.
$50 already. It's so impressive. I think there are only like two losing trades here.
Anong starting capital nito?
1,000, Coach. Now it's
1,000.
1,700.
Tapos
1,000
ngayon,
USD.
1,000 USD ngayon, $1,800 na.
Yes, Coach.
Kailan to nag-start?
Mga 1 month. Mga
1 month?
5 weeks. Yeah,
5 weeks? Tapos almost 82% na.
that's correct, coach. Just using your
Wow.
strat. That's why it's so amazing.
How's the
There.
may statistics to dito di ba? Asan nga yung
There is,
statistics
coach.
dito? Um,
And then
uh,
I connected this to the MyFX book so I could track properly. But
mm,
when I used your new strat for the past week, it probably gave me like $200, maybe. You could
wow.
review the history later, coach. But I mean, thank you for this. It's because of you.
Mm.
I feel like I know how
So
to trade properly now.
nagamit mo na dito yung signal sa masterclass?
For the past week, yes, coach. All the
Yeah.
open trades right now are from the signals of Masterclass. All of these.
Okay. Okay.
Pero I went against your rules. Sorry, coach. I know you said 0.01 for the
Yeah.
lot size, but as you can see, it's 0.02.
Okay. I see.
Yes,
Patingin ako ng
coach.
statistics nito. Gusto ko lang makita yung drawdown. Yan, that's it.
Oh,
Okay, so yung drawdown mo is 4%. So, up ka ng $874. Deposit 1,000. Nag-withdraw ka na ng $100. Tapos yung starting active since May 27, last last month.
June, July, August. Yeah, mga 5 weeks, coach.
5 weeks tama nga. So, ito yung good. Ganda ng performance, bro. Ano yung psychological impact sa'yo nito? Curious ako.
I can handle it. I'm just confident nga, if I just trust the system, it
Hmm.
should bounce.
Nung nakikita mong parang consistently umaangat na yung equity imbalance mo, ano yung realization mo? Ano yung
Mm,
thought process mo doon? Ano yung naging parang mga
yes.
possible realizations mo along the way?
So when I saw the consistent gains, yeah, I felt more confident actually.
Mm.
Especially the system. I felt like for the first time I'm doing something correctly again. Diba? Because before,
Correct.
like, if I do have a winning trade, sometimes it just feels like luck gani or chamba lang, like,
Correct.
I'll close here and then I'll open here again. It felt very random. But
Correct.
this, if I keep it within the system, I won't, like you said, you won't be scared whether it goes up or down.
Mm.
And
Mm.
that's why I trust you because, you gave me that confidence nga, this is the system you should follow. And I just followed.
Mm.
So psychologically, I wasn't scared, to be honest. Like,
Mm. Mm.
I
Correct.
don't know if this will translate if let's say I'm handling very big accounts na.
Ah.
Pero, I guess if we have a good working system, it
Mm.
should have the same results. Diba,
Yeah.
coach?
Correct. I'm very happy sa'yo, bro, to be honest. Knowing
Thank you,
na ang laki
coach.
ng
It's because of you.
knowing na ano, yung damage mo last year talagang, if I can remember correctly, I think half M.
Yes, yes. That's correct,
So
coach.
so
Thank
at
you.
least ngayon meron ka nang nakikitang liwanag consistent with 4% drawdown, almost 80% sa loob ng 5 weeks. Kung kumbaga based on this information, wala na tayong kailangan baguhin dito kasi more on compounding na lang di ba? More on upscaling, compounding na lang yung kailangan nating i-improve. Kasi na-establish mo na yung consistency. Nakuha mo na yung timing ng market. So yeah, winning trades 83%. Ayan oh. Galing.
So
Oh.
I like your screening process, coach. Nga. You know, it
Oh.
has to be like you really want it. At the same time, you should have experience because if newbie, wala, they're not even sure if they want to do it or not. They don't know.
No. Oh. Tsaka
'Cause it's hard. It's hard.
pagka newbie talaga, newbie, rainbow pa yan. Puro butterflies pang iniisip niyan sa trading. 'Di ba?
That's
Lalo na
right.
pagka nakapanood lang sila ng mga hype sa social media na kumita ng ganito without doing really hard work. Parang sobrang dali lang gawin lahat. Nako. Ay
It's true.
nako. 'Di ba?
And especially newbie coach, I feel they're not sure if they want it or not, diba? Because you have to go
Yeah,
through the pain first. Because I
correct.
tried introducing this to other people, right? Let's say
Correct.
my friends, hey, you want to
Yeah.
trade? I think this is a good way to, have a little
Yeah.
on the side.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
if you're a newbie, yeah, the expectations are too high, right?
Too
But
high.
once they actually get in it and then they lose
Yeah.
money, they're like, oh, it's not for me. Coach, thank you so much.
God bless. Bye.
God bless. Take care.